Hi guys, this is Rahat. When you don't have the right cookware, cooking regular meals can become a tiresome task. So this Amazon brand Solimo induction-based stainless steel Dutch oven can be the perfect solution to all your cooking woes. Let me show you how this Dutch oven can be used for multiple recipes. The oven is made from 100% food-grade stainless steel and has a heavy gauge induction bottom. The glass lid with a bakelite knob prevents heat transfer and the bakelite ear ensures safe handling. Its capacity of 3 liters is perfect for a variety of dishes. You can easily make a variety of dishes with this. I love how easy it is to make a pot of pulao, curry or rice meal in it. No spillage, no sticking and adequate heat cook the food well. These days, even with my hectic routine, I can still manage to whip up delicacies for my family when I want to.